Hi everyone, I have added a new function called dash print and I have made some changes to dash about as well. So what I did is instead of having a function, the code lines here, I pushed these code lines into a function and I call that function here. So I named it as mp_about and I have created a function in the name of mp_about, which is here. These lines are same, whereas before in the previous example, and now I call this function when I see dash about in the console. Similarly, I have also added a new function which is called dash print, and what dash print does is it takes the characters which is present after dash print in the console and it just prints in the next line. So for this I also have created a function here which is mp print, and the mp print is here, where if the console typed message is equals to 6, that means dash print, it is only dash print, nothing else present after the print. That means it's a fail, because if you count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6, so if the console detects only dash print and enter key, then you have nothing to print after the characters dash print, and that's a fail. If you do not have a space after dash print from the console, you again say that you need a space after dash print and before printable message. And I'll explain why did I comment these in the future, because in the future we will be keep tracking of the failure of each function, and this helps us to keep count of how many times the mp print failed. And the last, if these two conditions are not present, where we are not returning from this function, then the control goes here. What this code lines does is it saves all the characters after dash print and space. Notice this, it saves all the characters after dash print and space into a printout message which is coming from console typed message, and this printout message will be used here to be printed onto the to be written onto the UART write. And when you do these, when you add these two new functions, you should add this mp print and the mp about in the top of the function as a global. Like here you have to declare them globally, which is extend void mp print and mp about. And you should also make some of the variables global, because you will be using these variables in different functions, such as author, board, console type message, print output. And I have made this console type message length also as global and message max length as global. And you will be using UART write inside many functions, so I have defined these also as global, so that these are being read by other functions as well apart from your main thread. And let's see how this function works. So here I always check the previous implemented functions is working fine, and then check the new ones. Dash about, it's working fine, and dash print, I don't say anything after dash print, then it gives me a warning saying print fail. and if I type dash print just space, then it says it prints on nothing because you have not added any characters after dash print and space. Then if you type print some characters without space between dash print and the character you want to print, it throws an error saying print fail, needed space after dash print and before printable message. And now dash print space name, then it will print name dash print space 1 2 3. It prints whatever it is after dash print and space.